In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Canva. If you're creating a presentation, a social post, or a document, and want your video to play right inside your design, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. Before we jump in, make sure you're in the Canva editor with your design open and have the direct link to your video ready. A shareable URL from a hosting platform usually works best. If the video needs permission to view, double-check that the sharing settings allow it to be embedded. To start, look at the left-hand sidebar of the Canva editor and open the Apps panel. This is where Canva keeps extra tools and integrations. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the Apps icon. Opening Apps gives you a searchable library of features that extend what you can do inside your design. In the search field at the top of the Apps panel, type the word embed. This is the fastest way to find Canva's built-in option for bringing outside media into your project. As you type, you'll see results appear. You're looking for the official embed option, which is designed to insert content from a link directly onto your canvas. Now select the Embed app. This opens a simple interface with a field ready for your link. Think of this as the bridge between your video host and your Canva design. Using the correct tool matters here because it ensures the video can load and play properly without extra steps or external widgets. Paste your video link into the URL field. Use a clean, shareable link copied straight from your video platform. After you paste, give Canva a moment to fetch a preview. If it doesn't load, verify the link isn't behind a login. Confirm the video is allowed to be embedded, and remove any unnecessary tracking characters at the end of the URL. If your platform offers multiple link types, the standard share link is usually the most reliable. Once the preview appears, you'll know Canva successfully recognized your video. That's the full process. Open Apps, search for Embed, choose the Embed tool, and paste your link. From here, your video is part of your design and ready to play where supported. If you ever run into issues later, revisit the same Embed tool to update the link or swap it for a different one, and always ensure your video's privacy settings remain compatible with embedding. You now know exactly how to embed a video in Canva with confidence and clarity.